You think porn is the problem. You think lust is the problem. It's not. The real problem is that your identity is weak. You tell yourself you're disciplined. You tell yourself you're strong. But at night, when the room is quiet, when the phone is in your hand, your discipline disappears. Why? Have you noticed this? When you feel disrespected, when someone you know is doing better than you, when you get rejected, when life makes you feel invisible, that's when you run to porn. Not because you're horny, because you're empty. Lust doesn't destroy you loudly. It doesn't warn you. It doesn't attack. It drains you, your energy, your focus, your self-respect. You say, last time, and the next night, you betray yourself again. The most dangerous addiction isn't drugs, it's losing respect for the man in the mirror, and porn does that perfectly. But listen carefully. Lust destroys weak men and forges strong ones. Lust is not weakness. Lust is raw energy, primal, aggressive, creative, the same force that built empires, the same force that made warriors unstoppable. The difference is not desire. The difference is control. The day you stop suppressing lust and start commanding it, you become dangerous. 5 proven strategies to kill lust. This is not motivation. This is control. Step 1. Identify the trigger. You don't relapse because of lust. You relapse because of emotion. Loneliness, rejection, comparison, failure. When the urge hits, ask yourself, what am I actually trying to escape? Step 2. Kill the environment. Willpower is overrated. Phone in your bedroom, you lose. Private browser, you lose. Late nights alone, you lose. Change the battlefield, not your promises. Step 3. Delay the urge. An urge is a wave. It peaks, then it dies. Give it 30 minutes. Move your body. Cold water, push-ups, walk. When the body moves, the mind breaks. Step 4. Rewire dopamine. Porn is cheap dopamine. Your brain is addicted to easy reward. Replace it with hard dopamine. Training, skill building, money pursuit, purpose. Easy pleasure makes you weak. Hard progress makes you dangerous. Step 5. Change your identity. You don't quit porn. You become the man who doesn't need it. Every urge, one sentence, this is not who I am. Identity always beats habits. Now it's your turn. Be a slave forever or a self-controlled man. Decide now.